Children, the last class we have learnt about ionization of water. Already I taught at 25 degrees Celsius, concentration of H3O plus, the value is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 7. Similarly, the value at 25 degrees Celsius, the value of OH minus concentration is also equal to 1 into 10 power minus 7. So Kw, ionic product of water, that is H3O plus concentration, product of H3O plus concentration, OH minus concentration is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 7, 1 into 10 power minus 7, that is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14. So in neutral solution like NaCl, here H3O plus concentration will be equal to OH minus concentration in neutral solution. But in the case of acidic solutions like HCl, here H3O plus concentration will be greater than OH minus concentration. But in basic solution like NH3, NaOH, etc., OH minus concentration greater than equal to H3O plus concentration. So today, depending upon the acid-base solution in the concentration range, that is 10 power minus 1 to 10 power minus 7 m, to express the strength of such low concentrations, Sorensen, a scientist, introduced a logarithmic scale known as pH. What is meant by pH? pH is defined as negative logarithm of base 10 to the molar concentration of hydronium ions present in the solution. pH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of the molar concentration of hydronium ions present in the solution. This is called pH. From this, pH is the negative logarithm to the base 10 of molar concentration of hydronium ions present in the solution. So here the concentration of H3O plus can be calculated from pH. H3O plus is equal to 10 power minus pH, or H3O plus concentration is equal to anti-log of minus pH. Similarly, POH is defined as POH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration. So as discussed earlier, in neutral solution means H3O plus equal to OH minus ions, which is equal to the value 1 into 10 power minus 7 at 25 degrees Celsius. So the pH value can be calculated. pH already you know, pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of hydronium ion concentration, that is minus log to the base 10 of 1 into 10 power minus 7, that is minus 7 into minus 7, this minus 7 into minus log 10, log 10, the value is 1, that is minus 7 into minus 1, that is plus 7. So similarly the pH value is plus 7. Similarly POH also we can calculate. POH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration, same that minus log to the base 10 of 1 into 10 power minus 7. So minus 7 into minus 1, that is plus 7. POH is also equal to plus 7. This negative sign indicates that when the concentration of H3O plus increases, pH value decreases. For example, if H3O plus concentration increases from 10 power minus 7 to 10 power minus 5 m, pH value decreases from 7 to 5. So we know that in acidic solution, already I taught H3O plus concentration greater than OH minus ion concentration. That is, in acidic solution, H3O plus concentration always greater than 10 power minus 7. Similarly, in basic solution, H3O plus concentration always less than equal to 10 power minus 7. So we can conclude that in acidic solution, the pH value is always less than 7. In basic solution, the pH value always greater than 7. So based upon that, we are going to learn about the relationship between pH and pOH. pH and pOH. Already you know pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H3O plus concentration. pOH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So adding the equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2, that is pH plus pOH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H3O plus concentration minus log to the base 10 of OH minus concentration. That is equal to minus log to the base 10 of H3O plus concentration. Taking the minus sign outside, common sign outside, negative common, bring it out. So plus log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration. So this is equal to, already you know, log already you know H3O plus concentration into OH minus concentration is equal to Kw, ionic product of water. So we can write pH plus pOH is equal to minus log to the base 10 of Kw minus log to the base 10 of Kw can be written as pKw. So pH plus pOH is equal to pKw. At 25 degrees Celsius, ionic product of water Kw is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14. So pKw is equal to minus log to the base 10 of 10 power minus 14. That is minus 14 into minus 1 is equal to 14. So at 25 degrees Celsius, pH plus pOH is equal to 14. This derivation is very important, asking for 3 marks. What is the relationship between pH and pOH? It is given clearly in the book, page number 9 and 10. This also, the pH scale, this also you have to learn. What is pH, what is pOH, what is the value of pH at 25 degrees Celsius, what is the value of pOH at 25 degrees Celsius. Everything given clearly in page number 8, 9 and 10.